Hey guys, welcome to Coding Plaza. Now we are going to discussing about the concept of Oracle table read and write permissions mapping. Okay, there will be some scenarios that some tables we can able to make it read and we can able to make it read and write access. You may know that, right? Some files permissions we can give as a read only permissions, and we should not allow the users to give the right access. So because some sensitive data will be there, so no user should not change that. Some tables will be there that yearly once only we have to modify, or lifetime we should not modify. One time only metadata we have to insert. So like that data will be there, right? So for the tables, we have to how to make it read only, or how to make it read and write, how to lock and how to unlock. I'm going to explain in this video. Okay, let's start the video. See, for that, first we are going to create a table that create table. So, so some table will create that yearly metadata. Okay, so yearly metadata, I'm going to create that table, and here ID one column will create, UID something will create here. Okay, so it will be the number and UID I'm going to create, and it will be the primary key. Okay, primary key and here will year, because year is already unique means already keyword of Oracle, so that we should not create. So here as for V I'm going to give. Okay. So here something data I'm going to data D I'm going to give. Okay. So that here first data types I'm going to give here. So something for this going to give varchar. Just for sample I'm giving guys. Varchar 2 here means it's no digits. So data D means maybe so review I'm going to give uh, 400 MB. So yeah, UID is the yeah, it's an Oracle pre-filtered variable. That we should not use this. It's under Oracle scope. So we'll rename it as underscore U. Okay, I'm going to create the table. So table yearly metadata has been created. Okay, on this table, so we'll query the data. We'll no data in there. So that I'm going to insert some data. Insert into it will be metadata values. Year 2022 data will generate 2022 data will be something identity certain. Like this will create for 2 3 years. Doing question, right? So question is the primary key. Right. So row has been created. Okay. Sorry, I'm not extending the video. I'm creating the data for you guys. Sorry for that. From next video, I will arrange the data and I will create the videos. So that now table has been created. Assume this is an important table, how to perform and edit and read and write permissions. Okay. So that first of all, the syntax is alter table, table name, and mention. Okay. So coming to permissions, so read it, write will be there. Okay. So read means read only, and write means so the read or write will be there. Okay. Read means read only. So you no need, you can't able to perform any like DML operations like update, delete, and insert operation you can't able to perform if you are giving any read-only operation. So if you are giving read-only read and write permissions, if you are giving, you can able to perform entire DML operations, right? That how to do, I will show you guys. I'm going to edit this so that alter table. So yearly metadata. So now it's we have inserted data, so it is allowed. Actually, we are having write permission on this table. So I'm going to make it as a read only. Okay. So table yearly metadata has been altered. So then after I'm so we'll already query sharpen then. So I'm going to insert some other like I'm going to okay date yearly data set underscore d equal to something coding plaza. Okay, where data underscore d equal to okay. So I'm going to update this table. So I got an error, guys. Okay. So the error cause is an attempt was made up to read only materials view, right? So like this error you will get. So update operation not allowed on the table. It's like an locking table, but you can able to make it as a read and write only. So this is also an option. Locking will be done by DBA team, and this who are having permission on the table alterations and so they can able to do this. Okay. Now I want to know I am unable to do any operation. So assume I want to delete something. Delete from data where UID underscore U equal to 1. Okay. So I'm trying to delete that also not it's not aligned, right? So that I want to unlock this table means alter table yearly data 3 right. Okay. So if you are giving like this, once you are executing, table has been altered. Okay. So I'm going to query this. So now I can able to do any DML operation performance I will try to do. So I have updated, 3 rows has been updated. That will query that data. See here, coding plaza came in the place of identity. Okay, if I want to delete UID U equal to 1, so it got deleted. Okay, yes, the first row has been deleted and the second and third row only there. Okay, so these were the difference between so read only and read write. So like an Linux systems will do this operations most of the things in the IT companies or anywhere else in the real world scenarios. So same like that in DB tables also you can able to make uh, table read and write access permissions without logging the table itself. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe and follow, like and share. Okay, if you are having any doubts on this video, please comment on this video. Okay, thank you, guys.